everyone. Today I created this really pretty simple glam. I hope you guys all love it, and if you would like to see exactly how I got this whole look, it's pretty simple if you ask me. It's something that everyone can do. Then please keep watching because I honestly truly can't wait to share it with you. So my brows are done, and now I'm just gonna go on to the eyes. So to get started, I prime my eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil in Base 2. It's such a good eyeshadow base. I hope yes it does. This is Rossi. I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics number 26 brush, and I'm just going to buff that all into my crease. This is the shade Dance the Tides, and it's really just like a soft brown color. You can't even see how beat up it is on camera, but it's beat up, sis. And I'm not even changing brushes. I'm just, I'm still with my BH Cosmetics number 26 brush. And I'm just putting that slightly below. You don't want any harsh line. Just keep in mind that wherever you put the eye, okay, so let me break this down for you. Once you take your eyeshadow, you dip it in with your brush. Wherever you place the brush at first is where the color is inevitably, I can't talk, you guys. It's where the color is inevitably going to be more pigmented. So if you place your brush right in the middle, you're going to see it more pigmented right in the middle because that's where you first place your brush. So just keep that in mind. Now we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Shadow. Yo, why do I keep saying it like that? That's a tongue twister. Single Shadow. This is in the color Sienna. So as you can see, the color that I used initially in the crease was raw Sienna, and then this is Sienna. Same brush as well. Haven't switched brushes yet. Next, I'm going to be using the Tarte Toasted palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's called Cozy Crease, and I'm using a precision brush for that. This is the BH Cosmetics number 19 brush. I'm going to go back in with that Dance the Tides NYX single, just because I'm noticing that this eye kind of got a little bit more of it than the other one did. Now I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics number 18 brush, and I'm just going to spray it with some Fix Plus. Did you guys see that? Did that come up on camera? And Fix Plus smells pretty good. Did you guys see that they came out with like coconut, rose, lavender Fix Plus? Y'all better get on that. I'm taking the shade Sunset, and that's that beautiful gold shade right there. And I'm just putting this as my lid shade. So I didn't do any cut crease. I didn't clean anything up. And I'm just packing that shade onto my lid. Get the packing to get robbed for a fraction. So after I pack that on, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, and I'm taking the color Peach Tart, and it's just that chocolatey brown shade. And I'm taking that on my Sedona Lace EB13 brush, and I'm just using that for the outer corner to bring some, a little bit of darkness up in there. And I kind of brought that into the crease as well. but after I've already blended, so there won't be much product left on my brush. I apply, you know, my little thin coat of mascara. Now I'm going to be applying these beautiful lashes. They are by Sam and Helen on Amazon, and yeah, I really like them. They're not my favorite lashes, but you know, they doing what they do or whatever. I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I'm gonna use my Sephora Pro Precision Powder brush. I love this brush. It's in the number 59. I just dip it. Take the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio, the peachy love one, and I'm going to use the color Miami. That's the shade my mom just said I should use. I was gonna use Nectarine, but I love Miami. And for highlight, I am testing out a new highlighter, so I don't know how exactly this is going to go. I'm really scared of like stick stuff, but I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and this is in the shade Rum. I'm just gonna go over with the powder. This is the Laura Mercier in the shade Addiction, and I'm just gonna take my Morphe M501 brush. Actually, I'm gonna spritz it with Fix Plus just so it can. I'm so excited to do my under eye actually, because I got a whole bunch of new brushes, and one of them seems like it's gonna be like spectacular for the under eye. The BH number 22. It just seems like it's gonna be bomb. I'm gonna take the Benefits Roller Lash. And we're just going to line out our lips. Next, I'm taking my Naked Lip Gloss in the shade Freestyle. I'm so excited for how this is gonna look. I hope it looks how I pictured. I'm taking this lip brush. This one is by Morphe, and I'm just using it to like blend in that brown, so it doesn't look crazy. This is the completed look. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And I heard you're supposed to do an X. It says something like an X and T formation. So let's do that, sis. Now my makeup should last all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please leave me some comments. Thank you guys so much.